Hey language explorers! Today's fun phrase is, build a bird feeder, nature up close. This is a wonderful way to connect with nature and practice your English. So, what does build a bird feeder, nature up close, mean? It means creating a small container, usually for birdseed, and hanging it outside your home. This attracts local birds, allowing you to observe them from a short distance, getting nature up close. Here's how you might use it. My family decided to build a bird feeder over the weekend, and now we get to enjoy nature up close right from our kitchen window. We've seen sparrows, finches, and even a cardinal.